issue involving an RV. We are back here for the Law and You on Eyewitness News with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. The guys are getting ready here.
I was having a technical issue with my mic.
Ed's having a couple of issues, but I think you guys are good to go now, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's get to the question. We'll let the guys get settled. And here's what we have today from Robin in Mountaintop. Robin says, my neighbors recently purchased an RV and are parking it on a homemade driveway adjacent to my front yard. The covenants in my development state that these types of vehicles are not allowed to be parked on the street or on any individual properties. This is displeasing to look at, but it's causing an obstructed view. There are many children in our neighborhood, and I feel that this can be a hazard. After speaking with the township, they told us they're not going to enforce this. What can Robin do here to, I guess she's going with the covenant route here to get some resolution.
This is a perfect question for Ed. He loves these.
Robin, I got to tell you, I have not only researched covenants and restrictions, I've actually had to enforce them in a neighborhood that I used to live in. So here's the good news for you. The courts take very seriously the covenants and the restrictions that are in these developments. And there's two avenues that you have to go. First, you have to go to your homeowners association, and the homeowners association has to bring this action on behalf of all the homeowners against this individual for breach of the covenants. Now, if you don't have a homeowners association, then you can bring the action against this individual yourself for breaching those covenants and restrictions. But courts take them very seriously.
And Ed knows, because I always tell him, now he lives with really no neighbors around him because anybody who lives next to him could be a potential litigant.
We're out in the middle of nowhere.
He is. But you know, he's right. Very serious. Courts do not, you know, they look at these very tightly. So I think you're on good legal ground. Get to a lawyer, get the answers you need.
All right, our viewers that need your legal advice, what's the best way to reach you?
Give us a call, 570-714-HURT. You can see us on the web at 714hurt.com. It's the weekend. Hotline's on.
Blowing up the hotline will be blowing up all weekend. So, you know, Greg's not going to be at the gym because it's cold. You know, it's cold out or on the lake, but he will be answering the hotline.
He'll be wearing his hotline bling and taking some calls. It'll be a fun weekend. Results matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks. Don't forget PAHomepage.com or the Law and You hotline are open.